Hello. I'm gonna do a little unboxing video of the Sharpshooter. I don't know why people would want to watch this video, but I don't know. Maybe if you want to look at the Sharpshooter. Killzone 3 came out today, as well as the Sharpshooter, February 22nd. Let's get this bad boy opened up. I mean, $40 for this thing was a little ridiculous. I had the Move. I didn't have the navigation controller, so I had to buy that bad boy, because as you can see, you need the navigation controller. Oh, God, I know. It's brutal. It's brutal. Okay. Let's, there we go. Let's get this bad boy open. This looks intense. What is this? Ooh, stickers, I guess. Yeah, free Killzone 3 and Socom 4 stickers. Pretty cool. Let's see how she looks. Man, look at that wrapping. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, I'm afraid. I am afraid. Yeah, I'm afraid it's going to be garbage. Be a plastic gun. Let's take a look. What the heck was that? I don't know. Wow. Wow. She is a beauty. Trigger feels amazing. Whatever this stuff does, I don't know. I don't really care. Move goes in there. Other side's got the other little button thingies, and trigger feels really nice. And then obviously the navigation goes there, and that backs it up there. So there you have it. What do you think? I think it looks like an absolute beaut. Anyway, there's your unboxing. Thank you.